Is Notepad opening but not working properly? Maybe it freezes, won't save files, crashes, or certain features aren't responding. Yeah, these problems can usually be fixed with a few simple checks. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most useful solutions step by step. Start with the simplest fix. Close Notepad completely, then open it again from the Start menu. If it still isn't working correctly, restart Windows. This clears temporary system problems and gives Notepad a fresh start. It only takes a moment, so try this first. Next, make sure Windows is up to date. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and select Check for Updates. Install any available updates, then restart your computer if required. Updates can include fixes for Windows components and apps that may be causing compatibility issues. If the problem continues, try repairing Notepad. Open Settings, select Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Notepad, open its additional options, and choose Advanced Options if available. Select Repair. Windows will attempt to fix the app without removing its stored data. If repair doesn't help, you can try Reset. Go back to Notepad's Advanced Options and select Reset if it's available. Keep in mind that resetting can remove the app's stored settings and data. So use this step only after trying Repair. Now check whether Notepad itself has an update. Open the Microsoft Store and select Library. Check for available app updates and install any update for Notepad. Once the update finishes, launch Notepad again and test the feature that was causing trouble. If nothing has worked, reinstalling Notepad is another option. Open Installed Apps, find Notepad, and choose Uninstall if Windows provides that option. Then open Microsoft Store, search for Notepad, and install it again. Afterward, open the app and test it with a small text file. Finally, test Notepad by creating a new document, typing a few lines, and saving the file. If everything works, you're done. If the problem continues after updating, repairing, resetting, and reinstalling, the issue may be related to Windows or another system component. So work through these fixes in order, starting with the easiest. Thanks for watching.